Welcome to our video tutorial on how to create an Ubuntu 20.04 VPS with GUI. This video will show you how to set up a virtual private server running Ubuntu 20.04 with a graphical user interface. This setup makes it much easier to manage your server, especially if you're more comfortable with a visual interface. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a fully functional Ubuntu desktop that you can access remotely. We'll walk you through each step, so grab your coffee, and let's dive in. Let's start by opening PuTTY. This is the tool we'll use to connect to our server. Enter your server's IP address and port number, then click Open. Once the terminal window opens, it's time to log in. Log in as root. You might not need a password since there's a default one set. Now, we need to update our package list. Type this command. This command refreshes the list of available packages and their versions. Next, let's upgrade any outdated packages. Type this command. When prompted to continue, type Y and hit enter. Select Keep the local version currently installed and hit enter. Once the upgrade is complete, it's time to install the desktop environment. Again, when asked to continue, type Y. Now we'll install XRDP, which allows us to connect using remote desktop protocol. When prompted again, confirm with Y. Next, let's edit a configuration file for DNS settings. Look for the line with nameserver and change it to 4/8. This sets Google's DNS for better reliability. When prompted to save your changes in Nano, select Yes. Now we'll repeat the previous steps for good measure. After that, let's start the XRDP service. Next, we need to add the XRDP user to the SSL certificate group. To allow connections through the firewall, type this command. Then apply those changes. Finally, reboot your server by typing reboot command. If you see an error message after rebooting, just click OK. Now it's time to connect. Open Remote Desktop Connection on your computer. Enter your server's IP address and click Connect. When prompted with a warning message, click Yes. On the login screen that appears, enter your username and password that you set up earlier. And there you go. You're now connected to your Ubuntu 20.04 VPS with a GUI. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give us a thumbs up. Leave a comment if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos. Don't forget to share this with anyone who might benefit from it and subscribe to our channel for more great content like this. Thanks for watching.